You wake up, drive to work, sit in traffic, and then watch the clock all day, just waiting all year for that vacation request to get approved. But what if life is supposed to be more than this? What if the life you've been dreaming about isn't waiting for retirement? What if it isn't waiting for the perfect job, the perfect savings account, or the perfect moment? What if it's waiting just beyond the next turn in the road? Welcome to the Open Roads Institute, a place where learning doesn't happen in a classroom. It happens in campgrounds, on back roads, at fuel pumps, around campfires, and sometimes in the middle of a rainstorm while you're trying to figure out your water pump stopped working. Because the truth is, life on the road teaches us lessons no textbook ever could.
Did you turn the water off?
Here at the Open Roads Institute, we believe that travel isn't just about seeing new places. It's about becoming a different version of yourself. It's about learning new skills, building confidence, solving problems, meeting people you never would have crossed paths with otherwise, and discovering that the world is much bigger and much more accessible than you once believed. For some people, the open road starts at a weekend camping trip. For others, it's a cross-country adventure. Maybe it's a travel trailer. Maybe it's a motorhome. Maybe it's a truck camper, a tent, a van, or simply a dream that's been sitting on the shelf for years. No matter where you're starting, you're welcomed here. Because this isn't about being an expert. It's about being willing to learn. Over the years, we've discovered that RVing and travel aren't just hobbies. They're skills. Skills that can be learned. Skills that can be improved upon. Skills that make every trip safer, easier, and more enjoyable. How do you tow with confidence? How do you choose the right RV? How do you set up camp efficiently? How do you maintain your equipment? How do you travel on a budget? How do you avoid those expensive, costly mistakes? And most importantly, how do you create a life filled with more experiences and fewer regrets? Those are the questions we're here to answer. The Open Roads Institute was built around a simple idea. Learning should lead somewhere. Every lesson should create confidence. And every skill should create freedom. And every journey should create memories. That's why our motto is simple. Learn, explore, journey. Learn the skills that make adventure possible. Explore the places that make life memorable. Journey towards that life you've always imagined. Throughout the series, we'll cover everything from RV fundamentals and maintenance to travel planning, campground life, gear reviews, towing tips, trip preparation, and lessons learned from the road. Some classes will save you money. Some will save you time. Some might even save you from making the same mistakes we've already made. And trust us, we've made plenty. Because that's the part of the journey too. Nobody starts as an expert. Every experienced traveler was once a beginning. Starting at a hitch, a map, or a campground reservation wondering if they were doing it right. The goal, it's not perfection, it's progress. One trip at a time, one lesson at a time, one adventure at a time. And while the road ahead might always not be smooth, that's often where the best stories begin. The unexpected detours, the hidden gems, the people you meet, the challenges you overcome. Those moments become the memories you'll carry long after the trip is over. Here at the Open Roads Institute, we believe experiences are one of life's greatest investments, not because they last forever, but because they change us forever. So whether you're preparing for your first camping trip, planning your next adventure, or dreaming about life on the road someday, you've come to the right place. The classroom is open, the lessons are waiting, and the road ahead is calling. Welcome to the Open Roads Institute. Learn, explore, journey. Class is officially in session.
From hitching up to leveling out, from campgrounds to crossroads, this is the Open Roads Institute.